When we look at the matter all around us, the stuff that the world is made of, we can classify virtually everything into three categories: solid, liquid, or gas. But we can also classify matter as to whether or not it's a pure substance or a mixture. And that's what we're going to look at now. Well, I'm ready to do a little bit of science on pure substances and mixtures, joined by my friend Peter. Peter, you ready to do a little bit of science here?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, I've been to the store.
Okay.
I bought some liquids here. Let's start with this one here. What do you see there?
Water.
That's right. It looks like water. It is water. This is distilled water. Do you think water is a pure substance or a mixture?
A pure substance.
It is a pure substance. There's nothing in there but water. You hold that up. It's clear. It's colorless.
Clear, colors.
Yep. It's just pure water. There's nothing else in there. What's in there?
Water.
Just water. That's right. And that makes it
Pure.
pure. Bingo. Okay. So I've got another bottle here. Looks a lot like water, right?
Yeah.
It's clear. It's colorless. But when we start to look closely, what do we see?
Bubbles.
We start to see some bubbles there. So maybe this isn't pure. Maybe there's something mixed in here with the water. And you know what? I know just the way to figure out whether or not there's something mixed in there, but it's a little messy. You ready to make a mess?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go over here and we can make a mess. Okay, so we've got a clear, colorless substance here, don't we, Peter?
Yes, we do.
But there's some bubbles in it, so maybe it's not pure. Maybe there's something else in there. Let's do a test to see if we can find out if there's something else in there. I take the lid off. It starts to fizz a little bit. If I disturb it in just the right way, maybe with some candies.
Whoa!
I love that. Do you think that was a pure substance?
No.
No, there was clearly something going on there. There was carbon dioxide gas dissolved in that water, and we made it come out of solution very quickly. You couldn't see it, but it also has flavoring dissolved in it and sugar dissolved in it. That's a soft drink. That's pop.
Yeah.
And so if that's not a pure substance, what is it?
A solution.
Okay. Hey, that was great, Peter. I love making a mess in the name of science.
Yep.
And that was a big one. That's good. Okay, so we started with this. We started with the water here. And what was this again?
Pure.
That was a pure substance. That's right. And this was?
A solution.
Exactly, a solution, mostly water with dissolved carbon dioxide and maybe some sugar and other things dissolved in it. And over here we've got another substance. Looks a little bit different from the others. Lots of liquid, but it's got something floating around in it. What do you think that is?
Floating chunks of science.
Yeah, I love it. Floating chunks of science. Exactly. This is bubble tea. Lots of people love their bubble tea. And bubble tea is a liquid with floating solid material in it. Who knows what this stuff is, but people love it. This is a little different than the others because here you can see two types of matter floating in the same substance, right? We've got a liquid and we've got a solid together. We call that a mechanical mixture. And by all reports, it's delicious. Do you want to taste?
No.
Neither do I, really. Anyway, so the big difference here, again, is you can see different types of matter in the substance. So to wrap up, the three different types of substances we had here, this one was?
A pure substance.
And this one was?
A solution.
Exactly. And?
A mechanical mixture.
Bingo. Okay, here's one more way to look at it, Peter. You want to do some cooking?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're set. We've got the hot plate in the pot, and let's start making some soup.
Yes.
Okay, to make soup, we're going to start with two pure substances. I've got water right here. This is a pure substance, right?
Yeah.
Okay, hold up the pitcher. I'll add some water. And there we go. Now, you have a pure substance over there as well, but it's not a liquid.
No.
What is it?
It's a solid.
Okay, and it's salt.
Yep.
Okay, so let's add some salt, your pure salt to my pure water. And you know what we get now?
What?
We now get a solution. The salt starts to dissolve in the water, so we no longer have two pure substances, we have one solution. The salt dissolves into the water, and that's what we get.
Okay.
We'll put it in there. We'll start with some salt water. I'll top it up with a little bit more water. So we have a solution of salty water in the pot.
Okay.
What do we need to make vegetable soup?
Vegetables.
Good idea. I think you've got some over there. What do you have?
We got some onions,
Okay, Chef Peter. Onions.
celery,
Yes.
and carrots.
Oh, delicious. Very nutritious. Good selection.
Yes.
Now, if we start to stir that up, it doesn't behave quite the same way the salt did, does it?
No?
Do the vegetables disappear?
No, they're still there.
They're still there. So if we try to scoop them out, we can see that the vegetables remain solid. They don't dissolve. And that means we started with 2 pure substances, and we now have gone to a mechanical mixture.
Yes.
Okay, if we turn some heat on there and wait, we'll get a little bit of soup. We might have to add a few more ingredients, but nevertheless, our soup will be a mechanical mixture. So, when you look at the world around you and you see all the stuff around us, you can classify things as pure substances or mixtures. And one of my favorite mechanical mixtures happens to be right there in front of you, cookies.
Okay.
Ready for a cookie?
Yep.
I think we deserve it. Cheers.